The 2026 Boeing 747 represents a fascinating vision of what one of aviation's most legendary aircraft could look like if it were redesigned for the modern era. While Boeing has officially ended production of the classic 747, concept creators and aviation enthusiasts continue to imagine how this iconic Queen of the Skies might return with cutting-edge technology, greater efficiency, and a bold new appearance. At first glance, the aircraft retains its unmistakable hump-backed upper deck that has made the 747 instantly recognizable for decades, but nearly every other aspect has been refined. The fuselage features smoother aerodynamic contours, lighter composite materials, and redesigned wings that maximize lift while minimizing drag. The aircraft appears sleeker and more futuristic without losing the timeless elegance that made the original 747 a global icon. Large panoramic cockpit windows, sculpted engine nacelles, and advanced winglets contribute to a modern design that balances beauty with functionality. Every curve serves a purpose, reducing air resistance and improving fuel economy while maintaining the commanding presence expected from a jumbo jet. One of the biggest imagined improvements for the 2026 Boeing 747 is its next-generation propulsion system. Instead of relying solely on traditional turbofan engines, many futuristic concepts envision ultra-high bypass turbofans or even hybrid electric assistants to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. These engines would deliver greater thrust while operating more quietly than previous generations. Improved combustion technology, lightweight fan blades, and digital engine management systems would allow airlines to save millions in fuel costs over the aircraft's lifetime. Reduced noise levels would also make the aircraft friendlier to communities surrounding major airports, helping it meet increasingly strict environmental regulations around the world. Although such technologies continue to evolve, they represent the direction commercial aviation is heading, making the imagined 2026 747 both powerful and environmentally conscious. Performance remains one of the strongest highlights of this conceptual aircraft. Engineers envision longer range capabilities, allowing non-stop flights between virtually any two major cities on Earth. Thanks to lighter construction materials and more efficient engines, the aircraft could potentially travel farther while carrying more passengers or cargo than previous versions. Improved flight control computers and advanced avionics would make long-haul operations smoother and safer. Pilots would benefit from intelligent automation systems capable of monitoring thousands of aircraft parameters simultaneously, providing real-time recommendations during changing weather conditions or unexpected situations. Despite its enormous size, the aircraft would feel more agile in the air due to enhanced fly-by-wire technology and computerized stability management that continuously optimizes control surfaces throughout every phase of flight. Inside the cabin, the imagined 2026 Boeing 747 introduces a completely redefined passenger experience. Designers envision wider aisles, larger overhead storage compartments, and significantly higher ceilings that create an open, spacious atmosphere. Advanced LED lighting systems automatically adjust color temperature throughout the journey, helping reduce jet lag by matching passengers' natural sleep cycles. Larger panoramic windows allow more natural light into the cabin while offering breathtaking views above the clouds. Improved sound insulation dramatically reduces engine noise, making conversations easier and creating a more relaxing travel environment. Every seat could include ultra-high-definition entertainment screens, wireless charging pads, Bluetooth connectivity, and personalized climate controls. High-speed satellite internet would allow passengers to stream videos, participate in video conferences, or stay connected with friends and family throughout the flight without interruption. Premium travelers would experience even greater luxury. Business and first-class cabins could feature fully enclosed suites with sliding privacy doors, lie-flat beds, wireless device integration, and large entertainment displays. Some futuristic concepts even imagine onboard lounges where passengers can socialize, work, or simply stretch during ultra-long-haul flights. The upper deck, long considered one of the most unique features of the Boeing 747, could become an exclusive premium space with panoramic seating, quiet relaxation areas, or even luxury dining facilities. Airlines could customize these areas according to their brand identity, creating unforgettable travel experiences that differentiate them from competitors operating smaller twin-engine aircraft. Safety has always been central to Boeing's engineering philosophy, and this conceptual 2026 version continues the tradition with multiple layers of advanced technology. Artificial intelligence could assist flight crews by continuously analyzing weather patterns, aircraft performance, air traffic conditions, and system health. Predictive maintenance systems would monitor every critical component in real time, identifying potential issues before they become serious mechanical problems. Thousands of embedded sensors throughout the aircraft structure could detect microscopic fatigue or material stress, allowing maintenance crews to perform repairs well before failures occur. Advanced weather radar systems would provide highly detailed three-dimensional storm mapping, helping pilots avoid turbulence while improving passenger comfort and operational safety. The cockpit itself would be transformed into a highly digital workspace. Large touchscreen displays could replace many traditional switches while still retaining physical controls for essential flight functions. Augmented reality displays might project navigation information directly into the pilot's field of view, improving situational awareness during takeoff, landing, and poor visibility operations. Voice-controlled systems would allow pilots to access flight information more efficiently without diverting attention from flying the aircraft. Artificial intelligence would assist with checklist management, navigation optimization, fuel planning, and emergency procedures while always leaving final authority in the hands of the flight crew. Aerodynamic improvements also play a significant role in the aircraft's imagined capabilities. The wings feature advanced flexible designs that adapt slightly during flight to maximize efficiency under different conditions. New composite materials provide exceptional strength while reducing overall weight. Winglets are larger and more refined, minimizing drag during cruise and improving fuel economy on long-distance routes. Smooth airflow around the fuselage is enhanced through carefully sculpted surfaces that reduce turbulence and increase overall aerodynamic efficiency. Even the landing gear could feature lightweight materials and redesigned wheel assemblies that reduce weight while improving durability for thousands of takeoffs and landings throughout the aircraft's operational life. Cargo capability remains another area where the Boeing 747 continues to shine. Even though passenger versions may become increasingly rare, the 747 has built an extraordinary reputation as one of the world's greatest cargo aircraft. A futuristic 2026 variant could further expand this role by incorporating automated cargo loading systems, smarter weight distribution software, and reinforced structural components for heavy freight operations. Large nose loading capabilities, one of the aircraft's signature features on freighter versions, would continue allowing transportation of oversized cargo that smaller aircraft simply cannot accommodate. Industries requiring rapid movement of machinery, humanitarian supplies, military equipment, or space industry components would continue benefiting from the aircraft's unmatched cargo flexibility. Environmental sustainability would become one of the aircraft's defining characteristics. Airlines face increasing pressure to reduce carbon emissions, making efficiency more important than ever before. Sustainable aviation fuels would likely become fully compatible with the aircraft's engines, significantly reducing life cycle carbon emissions. Lightweight construction materials, recyclable cabin components, and energy-efficient onboard systems would further decrease environmental impact. Advanced flight management computers would calculate the most fuel-efficient routes by considering winds, temperatures, and air traffic conditions in real time. Even ground operations could become cleaner through electric taxi